Good day guys, welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at photo text maxing. So this tutorial is going to be so short and brief. So Trendy channel is a channel that makes video on different kind of flyer using your Pixellab. So if you're looking for a channel that will teach you how to make flyer, different kind of flyer with Pixellab, then you're in the right place. So let's just go into today's tutorial. Now let me leave the background the way it is. Now first, I've imported my image already. Next thing you need to do is to create your shape. Now align your shape with the image, just like this. Then you lock it. Then the second thing you do is to enter your write-up. That's happy birthday. Okay, put it on a straight line. Now let me just change the color from there so that you see what I'm doing. Now this is the happy, so let me choose a perfect font for it. Okay, let's use Bibas. Now let's space it up a little bit while we increase the size. Let's also space it up a little bit, up spacing. So at this moment we'll go to our stroke. We'll stroke it to white. Then we'll drop it here at the edge like this. Just look at what I'm doing. Then I'll go to the color. The color is black. Now make the color to be transparent. Are you seeing? Then change the stroke to black. Okay, so guys, you change the original color. Now you change the color to black, then change the stroke to white as seen. Then you merge it together. Then now go to your color picker, pick the black color. Now if I enable it, automatically the white color will go off because it's plain. So I'll just pick my black color. It's a black color that I want to erase. So this is it. I said. So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.